I'm gonna teach you how to draw a little calligraphy, man. Small line, big line. Small line, the same thing. Small line, big line. Press light, same thing. Big line, press hard, small line. Big line, press light. Press hard, press light. Big circle, small line. Small line. Calligraphy, man. Perfect example.
Same principle,
The word ease.
man.
I'm gonna do the word flow.
Big line.
Big line. Small line. Small to big.
Big.
Press hard.
Small.
Big.
Big.
Small.
The O now.
Big. Small. Small. Press light.
Small. Big. Small.
Big. Small. Big. Small. Calligraphy, man. Came, saw, conquered, man.